Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Lane, and if today being your first time on this channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Kindly do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell also so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Today I'm preparing Ghanaian goat's meat stew or all-purpose stew. It's such a delicious stew and I know you're going to love it after watching this video. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So to begin with, I'll start by steaming my goat's meat. I've washed this meat very well. And to seasoning this goat's meat, I'll go in with some garlic, ginger, onions, and I'll also go in with some coriander seed, dried rosemary, and some anise seed. I'll add a little bit of water to it, cover it, and blend until it's very smooth. So after blending everything, I'll pour it to my meat. And for the seasoning, you can go in with any natural seasoning of your choice, okay? So moving forward, I'll also go in with TOOGBEI leaves. I'll also add in some goat meat seasoning powder, and also I'll be going in with some powdered garlic and ginger. Since I've already added in some fresh garlic and ginger, no need adding in the powdered one, okay? So I'll also go in with some salt to taste. I'll rinse my blender a little bit, cover it, and allow the meat to steam in its own juices for about 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, I am back to check on it. It has released a lot of water, as you can see, but it's not ready, so I'll give it a gentle stir, and I'll go in with a little bit of water just to allow the meat to cook very well. While that is going on, if you have still not subscribed to my channel, babe, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell also so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Alright, so moving forward, I'll also be needing some onions. I'm using 4 medium-sized onions, and I'll also be using some fresh tomatoes and fresh pepper. You can as well use any vegetable for this recipe, okay? And last but not the least, I'll also go in with some chopped carrots, and I'm going to be blending all these vegetables, okay? So I am back to check on the meat after 15 minutes of cooking it. It's looking very good, very juicy, and very tasty. At this point, the meat is ready, so I'll just go ahead and fry my meat. And I fry this meat in my air fryer. Yes, you can as well use your oil to fry your meat if that is what you have, okay? So I'll pour everything inside my air fryer, and I'm going to air fry this for about 160 degrees Celsius to 10 to 15 minutes. Yes, so I'll brush the toppings of this meat with a little bit of oil just to help fry it very fast, and also to get that perfect golden brown color after frying it. You can omit it if you don't want to, okay? And so after extra 10 to 15 minutes, look how beautiful our meat turned out. So next, I'm just going to set this aside and continue with the making of the stew. Alright, so moving forward, I'll also heat up my cooking pot. I'll add some oil to it, and I'll go in with my chopped onions. So we're going to saute the onions for about 2 to 3 minutes so that it will release its flavors to the oil a little bit. So next, I'll also go in with my tomato paste. You can use any tomato paste of your choice. Stir everything beautifully and allow it to cook on low-medium heat for about 15 to 20 minutes for the stew to darken up a little bit. And after extra 15 to 20 minutes, the stew is ready. As you can see, it has changed in color a little bit. So next, I'll go in with my blended ingredients, which is the carrots, fresh tomatoes, pepper, and some onions, okay? I'll stir everything together Cover it and allow it to cook on low medium heat for extra 15 to 20 minutes for the blended ingredients to also cook down very well. Whilst that is going on, let me use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are too much. High five to everyone. Thank you for always liking my video, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for your support. All right, so after extra 10 minutes, I am back to check on the stew, and it has released a little bit of oil, indicating that the stew is almost done. So I'll give it a gentle stir, cover it again and allow it to cook for extra 10 to 15 minutes. We really want to cook the stew down so we can really enjoy it very well. And after extra 10 more minutes, look at how the oil has settled on top beautifully, and that is what I'll be going for. This indicates that the stew is almost ready already. So as you can see, it has even taken up beautifully, and that is what we're looking for. At first, when I added in the blended ingredients, it was a little bit watery, but at this point the stew has taken up beautifully. So next I'll go in with my stock from the meat. It will give the stew extra taste, trust me on this one. You can add in any stock that you have, okay? After adding in the stock like this, I'll go in with any seasoning of choice. And for my seasoning, I'm going to be using all-purpose seasoning or stew seasoning powder, curry powder and some salt to taste. Stir everything well, and while that is done, I'll go in with my fried goat meat. Okay, so when the goat meat goes in like this, I'll just stir everything beautifully, cover it and allow it to cook alongside with the seasoning, because we really want to have a tasty and a delicious goat meat stew. Okay, cover it for about 5 to 10 minutes on a low medium heat, and after about 5 to 10 minutes I will check on the stew. It's looking all good. And if you love sweet things like me, why don't you add in some mackerels just to add extra taste to the stew? You can omit it if you don't love it. Okay, so after going in with the mackerels like this, I'll go in with some chopped onions just to give the stew extra crunchiness and extra taste as well. So when the onions goes in like this, that is when you know your stew is ready. I'll cover it for about 5 minutes. So when oil settles on top beautifully just like this, that is when you know your stew is ready. I paired this with some rice. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this goat meat stew recipe. It came out so good and I hope you're going to try. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please do well to subscribe for more videos like this. Bye.